sure that you don't ever know what each card you play. Wait until that deal comes round. Don't you let that deal go down. Wait until that deal comes round. My mind was wondering why geese in the wind. Well, the touch of clay kind of suits you anyway. That was all I had to say, but it's alright. I will get by. When the sun comes in, get home alone. Because they lose so cold.
That Grateful Dead concert was pretty cool last night. Quite the hippie fest. That one dude on the bongos, man, he was awesome. But the whole thing was fun, watching, being in a crowd like that in the middle of the desert. Gotta love it. And it was on my birthday too, so that was fun. And yeah, we're just hanging out in the desert for the last morning. Just taking Miss Uma for WALK as we're packing up and leaving. We're going to a scary place called Civilization. We're actually going to Phoenix area today and finally going to get the Truma fixed or replaced tomorrow. Yay! Of course, it's 85-degree temperatures for the next week, so I won't be needing the Truma until I probably go back to Canada now. But that's okay, at least it's working. Oh, wind just picked up. So yeah, it was a lot of fun here in the desert. A lot of fun hanging out with all the Hymer peeps last week and learning stuff. And yeah, like I said, we're going to Phoenix for the week. Probably going to go to a Super Bowl party at a bar or something like that. One of our friends lives in Scottsdale, so we're going by her place. She told us we could stay at her place and do laundry and stuff, so I'll take that offer. And then next week, I'm actually looking after Kirby, Dave's dog. He has to go to LA for a meeting. He still works on the road. So I'm going to look after Kirby, and he actually got an Airbnb for me for the week. So that'll be a little bit different, being in a house or part of a house for the week. Nice little reprieve from van life for a bit. Get to kick up and sit on a couch, or lounge on a couch. That's the one thing I miss in van life, is not having a couch. But yeah, looking forward to getting out of Quartzsite for a couple weeks. Holy cow, I think this is by far the most I've spent here in a winter. But it's been fun seeing everybody and doing all the things, and yeah, cool concerts in the desert. Apparently there's even a prom night thing going on over here to wear your prom wear in the desert. And anyhow, not going to be there for this one. Yeah, we are packing up and going to Phoenix. Good morning, guys. It's time to get my Truma fixed finally. Holy cow. Ended up just staying at the Planet Fitness parking lot last night. Seemed like a good spot to be. I think we're about half an hour away from where we're going, to the guy's house. He's in Santan Valley in Phoenix area. Yeah. Lots of white noise of traffic going by last night. Slept okay though. And then I guess I'm staying in Phoenix for the weekend. And then I'm getting my Airbnb next week in Phoenix. It's going to be a different week, that's for sure, than living in the desert dirt. No dust for the week. Might even be able to get bathed. Get all the dust out of both of us. And maybe even the van. Who knows? Anyhow, after Uma's done, gonna make a coffee. And yeah, head out. Gotta get gas on the way. Alright, the dusty Truma is out. Holy cow, that was a job in itself, getting it out. That is what it looks like when it's out anyway. Now we got to change that igniter and bench test it before it goes back in. But I should probably clean this. Oh yeah, it's just a little dusty down there. Yeah, I'll probably take a bunch of paper towels and clean all this up too.
It's running. It was the igniter.
Awesome, love to hear it. Woohoo! I have a heater again. Look at me, cleaned up the whole entire cabin. Nice. All right, so it was the igniter after all. Thank goodness it was just that, not the whole unit. I think he said it was $40 for the igniter and just as labor for it, so that'll be a lot cheaper than installing a whole new unit, that's for sure. So that's a bonus. So yeah, we're just getting finished up here. He's putting it in, installing it a little better so it's not so hard to get out if it ever has to come out the next time. Hopefully never again. But yeah, $40 fix plus plus labor, I'm good with that. Now that it's nice and warm out in the desert, I don't need a heater. But at least I have it for going back to Canada. So it's all good. Woo! I have heat and hot water again. Sweet! Alright, we are off to Scottsdale, Arizona to go visit a friend there. So Uma can have some playtime with Roman. And then I think a bunch of us are going out for Super Bowl on Sunday. So yeah, good times from now on. Nothing broken, nothing to be repaired. Except for my headlight, but I'll get to that later. Another debacle that I just found out. We're back on the road again with heat and hot water. Woo! Are you freaking kidding me? What the hell? I was doing a video to demonstrate that it fires up. I'm getting the same freaking error code again. Ah. Oh. Ah. Well, I guess it's back to Truma Pete again. Ah. Glad I didn't leave the city yet. Alright, well, I guess that's it for this week. Hope you guys enjoyed another failed video of the Truma not working. At least I don't need heat. Oh, man. Oh. Alright, guys. We'll see you next time. I'm too frustrated.